6 must-know packing hacks for a smooth out-of-state move. Start by decluttering. Go through each room and decide what to keep, donate, or sell. This will reduce the amount you need to pack and make unpacking so much easier at your new home. Invest in quality packing supplies. Sturdy boxes, bubble wrap, and strong packing tape will protect your belongings. Use smaller boxes for heavy items like books and larger ones for light items like linens. Wrap fragile items individually with bubble wrap or packing paper. Use towels or linens to fill in the gaps in boxes, preventing those items from shifting during transit. Be sure to label every box clearly. Include the room it belongs to and a brief description of the contents. This will make packing so much easier, and it'll help the movers to place the boxes in the right rooms. Pack an essentials box with items you'll need right away, like toiletry, clothes, and important documents. Keep this box with you during the move for easy access. Reach out to local realtors. They may have buyers moving in that have boxes that they need to get rid of. If you have any questions or need moving advice, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this one.